this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix poor video quality on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Right, so if you're watching Netflix movies and the quality of your videos is really low or poor, then to fix it, just head over to your account profile up here and choose account. From account, go to overview and then scroll down until you see edit settings. Now under edit settings, scroll down and under preferences, go down to playback settings. Now here you'll see we have controls on the quality of your video. Now head over to data usage per screen. Currently it is set to auto, which means the quality of video will depend on the strength of your internet at the time of watching. However, if you want to switch this to medium or high quality, you can go ahead and choose any of this and then save the changes. But one thing you have to remember is that by choosing a higher quality, more data will be used per video. So if you're okay with auto, you can leave it at auto, but you can also go ahead and vary with these settings. So that's how you can fix poor quality on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.